everyone, my name's Andy, welcome back to Scottish Steam Productions and another video on trains. Today I'm on the Stirling Valley Railway, which is a route I've created for the upcoming train series that I am doing. As you can see, I've got a absolutely gorgeous Caledonian Drummond class number, what even is the number? Number 519. Now today the Northern Bell, as far as the scenario told me, has come to the railway, and the 47s have failed, so they're under quick maintenance. While in the meantime, we've got 4 of their gorgeous Northern Belly Pullman coaches. So today, oh no, all cameras are wrong. Today I'm going to take you on a quick jaunt along the railway. We've actually got a green signal, so we can actually get going. Right, regular, nice and easy out the station, there we go. Let's get some pressure built back up. Okay, so we had the green signal, the barriers are down, let's give it a whistle. Yes, lovely. Okay, let's pull the reverser back. There we go. Now, as far as I know, because I haven't created this scenario, a friend set it up for me, I'm to drive down to Chillingbourne, which is the furthest point I can go, well, the furthest point the railway can go in the YouTube series. So I need to stop there, and then I'm going to get a message. Don't know where the message is going to appear, but we will have to wait and see. Through the tunnel, or under the bridge, tunnel, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we are coming up to the first station, which is Arnley. Now, if you remember the Steam Gala, where the Chorley Model Railway Society visited, there was the model layout in the museum. This station is actually based on one of the stations on that layout, because it's a really nice little station, and there's not a lot to it, so it was really easy to construct. Whistle as we come into the 15-mile-an-hour limit. There we go. And we are directed into platform 2. I think this is platform 2, is it? Yeah, platform 2. And sounds like the 247s, or one of them, is actually up and running again. So the station's pretty packed. And on the left there we have a Wainwright class with the Royal Mail train, or the TPO train. Stop. Damn it, I've overshot the station. Whoops. There we go, brakes on. Oh, that did not go well. I was paying too much attention to the other train and not where I was actually meant to stop. That's not very smart of me. Oh boy. Right, let's get out the cab and have a look around. Oh, yeah, miles overshot. 2 carriages. There's only 3 in the platform. So, yep, this is the lovely little Wainwright class, hauling some LMS travelling post office carriages. And here are the Northern Belle 247s, Solway and Galway Princess. A couple of FOs and some LSEs. And then here is the maintenance shed. Right. Are we ready to get going again? The door's shut? Not yet. Oh, no, they're shut. So let's get going. Let's take the brakes off. Come on. There we are. I'm just going to give it full regulator right out the station. Right. We've got to whistle a lot for this because it's an open crossing. If we pop over to this side, we see a rake of gorgeous Intercity Executive Mark IIs. Oh, and we are actually blowing off. So let's get some speed up. Let's turn off the blower. Trundled along at 25 miles an hour, slowly climbing up to 30 as we go under the walkway bridge. And this is actually where we come over my favourite bit of the route, the Chillingbourne Viaduct. And if we go into the cinematic camera, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I actually need to slow down now. Oh, what happened? Whoops. There we go. There's another cinematic camera, but I've already missed the train. Whoops. Ooh, a BR Green Class 37. Nice. Oh, hang on. Why have I gone this way? Right, okay, I need to stop. Emergency brakes. Oh crap, wrong way. I put the brakes into release. God damn it. Actually, no. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to run past these points and then I shall reverse back into the station. Bloody hell. The brakes on this train are very unusual. 1 minute they work like total dog poop, and then the next they're really sharp. See, like now it's not even up to 15 psi. There we go, 40, 45. Right, so let's switch the points. Is there any cinematic cameras? No. Let's keep an eye on our train. Oh, need to get some water in the boiler. I'm running low, and I do not want to run my train dry. Oh, what did I do? I did something. And that's us blowing off. Right, and we are slowly pulling into Chillingbourne Station now. There we are. And there's Chillingbourne East on the signal box. Right, and brakes fully on. Have we got a cinematic camera? Yes, we do. Look at that for a perfect stop. Or not. Why isn't it stopping? Come on. God damn it. Right. There's a message popped up. Yes, it has. You can't see it. It's in the top left corner. Congratulations, you've arrived in Chillingbourne East, safe and sound with all your passengers happy. But there's a problem. Whilst under quick maintenance of the locomotive, the driver has found a hot axle box on the front right driving wheel of the loco. Make sure you've got enough room on the points, as the Class 37, which is in the siding, will now take the train back to Stirling via Arnley. Do not worry, it's not your fault. These things happen. Let's get the show on the road. Right, so that's why that's 37's there. Very interesting. That's really well thought out. Well done to my friend for thinking of that. Right, so are we clear of the points? Nope. Right, so let's roll forward a bit. There we go, train's rolling forward. Right, now I can switch the points. Let's get the whole thing in the platform this time. And stop. There we go. Whoa, clangy, clangy. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, what? Oh, I've activated the passenger load again. Yep, and the same message has popped up. Okay. God damn it. Right. Let's... how do I... there we go. Let's move. No, what are you doing? Let's go over to this. And then... need to select me again. Have I now successfully gone into the 37? I have no idea. This game has a mind of its own, really does. Hey, there we are. Right, which way are we facing? Right, there we go. Actually, I need to be facing that way, there we go. Right, so I'm in forward gear. Train brake off. Let's turn on the lights. There we go. I do love the whistle of a 37 when it gets up to speed, or a Class 40 even. 37s and Class 40s are probably my favourite locos, just for the fact of how beautiful they sound. Right. Now let's not bump up to these too hard. So I'm just adding little bits of the independent brake. Ooh, that's a bit fast. Alright, nice and easy. And there we go. That's the brake on. Have we coupled up? I don't know, because my... oh, that's why. I'm in the wrong camera. I couldn't move then for a second. I thought, why couldn't I move? I'm in the cinematic camera. Right, so if my computer could unfreeze, that would be very nice of it. There we are. Right, let's switch those points back. Are we coupled up? Yes, we are. Right, let's get in the cab. Right, are all the doors shut? Yes, they are. Right, let's get on the way. Oh, it would help if I took the brake off. Duh. Right, nice and easy. There we go. Right, full power. This loco is just so fantastic. I absolutely love it. Class 37s and the Class 40s, my favourite diesel locomotives. They're just amazing. And I do apologise about the lag as well. My computer isn't that great. There we go. Oh, computer froze. Why? If you remember my old video when I was driving Prince of Wales along the Furness Railway, you'll know that my computer tends to freeze when it doesn't get what it wants. Actually, for now, I'm going to stay out here in this camera. That really doesn't sound good. There we are. Passing the coaches. Oh, hang on, another message popped up. Due to it being such a short period of time between the last service that arrived here, you don't have to stop, just drive straight through. Okay. Honk the horn for the crossing. And honk the horn again for passing through the station instead of arriving at it. Let's get back in the cab. Right, so once we're clear of the platform, we can just full throttle it straight back into the station. Settle away and go away Princess, along with some first open Pullman Mark IIs and SLEs. In the workshop. Right, we are clear of the station. Let's give a full whack. .25 miles an hour, nice and easy. Also, this area here on the left hand side, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. I might copy this side and put some fields there just so it doesn't look empty. But I'm not too sure yet. We'll have to wait and see. Have we got a green signal? Yes, we do. Whistle board. Well up, is that smoke? What the hell? That's a steam train. Was that there? No, it wasn't there when I... What the hell? Who is that? It's BR Blue, so that's a plus. Ooh, looks like it's got some very nice coaches. Very, very nice indeed. Crimson Cream or Carmine or Blood and Custard, however you like to say it. Right, let's get all the way into the station. Brakes, nice and easy. Have we got a cinematic camera? Yes, we do. If you look, we're coming up here just now. You can see me. There we go, and stop. I said stop. Stop, please. And there we go. And another message. Great job. Bleh. Great job, driver. Now you've successfully returned the service, you'll need to run around the train, but as soon as the steam charter has gone through to... I don't know what that name is. It's lock something. My friend did the lock that I've put all the way at the end of the railway, but I won't show you that yet. That's in the next video. And I've just dropped my keyboard. Damn it! Damn you, keyboard. So let's actually have a quick look at this steam charter, because as far as I can tell, that is a... That locomotive's in BR Blue. Oh, excuse me, it's very late. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, I shouldn't be recording this. It's a A3. 60097. Humorist? Is that humor? It is humorist. Oh, very nice. Very nice rake of Crimson and Cream Mark 1s and a Stania. I think it's a BFK? Yeah, Stania BFK. That is very lovely. Let's just switch these points. Yeah, there we go. So, I'm actually just going to end this on humorist. Let's get you into a nice position. There we go. So, that has been this part of the railway. Next time I show you the route from here at Stirling all the way to the lock terminus, which is... Well, no, actually, scratch that. I'll do from the lock to here at Stirling. I'm not going to tell you what locomotive it's going to be, but that will be in a video tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like and a good comment. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike and a bad comment. I'm always open to suggestions, what you want to see on here, any locomotives you might want to see me review, because I'm going to start reviewing some downloads I've done. So thank you again guys for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.